Okay, this is your introduction for week 4. This chapter chapter 4 is on literature. You start off the chapter with kind of comparing the differences between a classic and a masterpiece. We will come back to that in just a second. Then you start and you'll go over poetry, the novel, and the short story. Hopefully at least one of those appeal to you. If not, I would ask that you at least approach them with an open mind. A lot of people who really enjoy reading, they enjoy that because they get to fill in the blanks with their head. And this is why chapter 4 relates back to chapter 3, which is about critical thinking. What I mean by filling in the blanks, if you read a sentence that says a man sat on a couch, in your brain you have to set up what kind of man, how old is he, what color is the couch, is it big or is it small? But if it's a painting or a photograph or a movie or something like that, all of those questions are answered for you. It requires much less thought in some ways. And that's why the people who enjoy reading, that's typically one of the reasons why they enjoy reading. I want to comment for just a second on the idea of a classic versus a masterpiece. This is in the very first section of chapter 4. A classic is simply a work of art that endures. It lasts years. It does not mean that it is necessarily good. Now, by saying that, I'm not saying it is bad. I am just saying that for some reason it has endured. So I'm going to give you 20 seconds of a video.
Y'all ready for this?
Okay. I would be willing to bet that everyone in the class has heard that song. It's still played at sporting events, at times when people gather. It's played at a lot of different places. It is well known and it came out over 20 years ago. That is a classic. But I have never met anyone who said that is a great song. We may like it, but we don't like it because it's great. We like it for some other reason. Okay? Now, please don't think that I'm disparaging things that are not masterpieces. There are a lot of films that I really like that are not masterpieces, but I like them for some reason or another. You can even like bad art to some degree. The film Highlander is not a great movie, but I like it a lot. Okay? So this is not a question about what is necessarily good or bad or your opinions and whether your opinions themselves are good or bad. This is just about the art itself and why is it exceptional. Okay? Because that's what masterpiece really means, is it is exceeding other people. It is exceeding other works of art of a similar nature. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the chapter. If you have specific questions about it, please get in touch with me.